Before we begin, we want to disclose something quickly from the above statement. As a reminder, businesses cannot pay home stars to alter or remove any of their reviews. Each review that comes in goes under comprehensive review moderation to avoid fraudulent or fake reviews. The benefits of Canadian custom-made window treatments for shutters, blinds and window shades for your home or commercial building. When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home or office space, investing in high-quality custom window treatments can make a significant difference. As a homeowner or commercial business in Bolton, Ontario, you have the unique opportunity to explore the benefits of Canadian-made custom window treatments, including shutters, blinds, and window shades. One of the primary advantages of choosing custom window treatments is the ability to tailor them to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you're looking to improve energy efficiency, enhance privacy, or simply elevate the overall style of your living space, custom window treatments can be designed to meet your unique requirements. Canadian-made products often boast superior craftsmanship, using durable materials and innovative design elements that can withstand the demands of the local climate. Moreover, custom window treatments can be a valuable investment in your home's or office resale value. Well-designed and properly installed window treatments can significantly improve the curb appeal and overall impression of your property, making it a more attractive proposition for potential buyers in the future. Trust Diamond Custom Shutters as your reputable custom window treatment provider in Bolton. When it comes to finding a reliable and experienced custom window treatment provider in Bolton, Ontario, Diamond Custom Shutters stands out as a trusted name. With over 27 years of expertise in the industry, the team at Diamond Custom Shutters has built a reputation for promoting and delivering exceptional products and outstanding customer service. As a local business, Diamond Custom Shutters understands the unique needs and preferences of homeowners in the Bolton area. They offer a wide range of custom window treatment options, including shutters, blinds, and shades, all of which are meticulously crafted to meet the highest standards of quality and durability with a 25-year warranty on shutters and 5-year warranty on blinds. One of the key advantages of working with Diamond Custom Shutters is their commitment to personalized service. From the initial consultation to the final installation, the team will guide you through the process, ensuring that your custom window treatments not only enhance the aesthetic of your home but also provide the functionality you desire. The importance of professional installation for Canadian custom-made window treatments. While it may be tempting to attempt a DIY installation of your custom window treatments, it is crucial to recognize the importance of professional installation. Proper installation is essential to ensure the long-term performance and optimal functionality of your custom window treatments. The team at Diamond Custom Shutters is highly trained and experienced in the installation of Canadian-made custom window treatments. They understand the intricacies of the local climate, building codes, and industry best practices, allowing them to ensure a seamless and secure installation process. By entrusting your custom window treatment installation to the professionals at Diamond Custom Shutters, you can be confident that your investment will be protected. Their attention to detail and commitment to quality workmanship will ensure that your new window treatments not only look stunning but also function flawlessly for years to come. Additional services offered by Diamond Custom Shutters custom window treatment providers include professional wood shutter repair and refinishing service. In addition to their expertise in custom window treatment sales and installation, Diamond Custom Shutters also offers a comprehensive range of complementary services to meet the needs of their clients in Bolton, Ontario. One of the most valuable services provided by Diamond Custom Shutters is their professional wood shutter repair and refinishing service. Over time, even the highest quality wood shutters can experience wear and tear, requiring specialized attention to restore their beauty and functionality. The team at Diamond Custom Shutters is equipped with the knowledge and tools necessary to assess the condition of your existing wood shutters and provide tailored repair and refinishing solutions. Whether it's addressing minor damage, adjusting the fit, or completely refinishing the surface, their skilled technicians will ensure that your wood shutters look and perform like new. By offering this additional service, Diamond Custom Shutters demonstrates their commitment to providing their clients with a comprehensive suite of solutions to address all their custom window treatment needs. This commitment to customer satisfaction is a key reason why the company has earned a reputation as a trusted and reliable provider in the Bolton and Caledon region community. Customer testimonials and reviews for custom window treatment by Diamond Custom Shutters on HomeStars. When it comes to choosing a custom window treatment provider, it's important to consider the experiences of other customers. Diamond Custom Shutters has a strong reputation in the Bolton and Caledon community, as evidenced by the numerous positive reviews and testimonials available on platforms like homestars.com. On homestars.com, Diamond Custom Shutters boasts an impressive 99% rating based on over 276 reviews from satisfied customers. These reviews and testimonials, which are 100% verifiable, highlight the company's attention to detail, quality of workmanship, and exceptional customer service. One customer, for example, praised the team at Diamond Custom Shutters from Oakville, Ontario on March 3, 2017, stating, "Alan was quick to visit and give me advice and a quote to put California shutters in 2 large bedroom windows. They were installed within 4 weeks and looked great." Another review praised the company's commitment to skilled craftsmanship and customer satisfaction on April 3, 2021 from Toronto, Ontario, noting, "Alan was quick to respond to my email, came in for a free consultation and gave me a good price to install California shutters in my windows and patio door. Very happy with the service and final product. Will definitely recommend him." These glowing reviews from past customers serve as a testament to the quality of Diamond Custom Shutters products and services, giving you the confidence to trust them as your custom window treatment provider in Bolton, Ontario. If you're ready to transform the look and functionality of your home or commercial building with custom window treatments, contact the experts at Diamond Custom Shutters today. Schedule a free consultation to explore the endless possibilities and find the perfect solution for your Bolton, Ontario property. Dial 416-571-3315. Visit us online at diamondcustomshutters.ca, or HomeStars to confirm our 99% positive review ratings in the description area or below this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you and have a great day.